Good morning and welcome to MarineMax Stuart. My name is Dan Thompson. Today we'll be looking at one of our new arrivals, which is the Scout 215 XSF. This versatile center console has all the room for your friends and family to go out fishing or head out to the sandbar. Sea deck in the transom for sure-footedness getting on and off the docks. Has the 200 horsepower Yamaha outboard, fiberglass hardtop, large Yeti cooler, comfortable helm seat with flip-up bolsters, large stern seat, transom live well you could also use as a cooler. Well-appointed helm with a flush Garmin display, adjustable steering wheel. One of the best parts of the Scout is up in the bow area where you have seat backs and for 4 wraparound seating, large storage department underneath the lounger, full enclosure for your hardtop for protection from the elements, and so much more. That concludes our quick tour of the 215. If you have questions about this boat or any boat in the MarineMax inventory, again, my name is Dan Thompson, and you can reach me on my cell at 978-375-1584. Thank you again, and I'll see you on the water.